Good morning. Okay, so in last class, we completed types of values and we were doing what? Any idea? Any idea what we were doing?
Ma'am, we are discussing about the social values and human values.
Yes, we were discussing about that, but after that we had begin the basic guidelines for value education also. What are the basic guidelines for value education? Isn't it? So in basic guidelines, first one is universal. Let me share the slide. Is it visible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So in the basic guidelines for value education, first is universal. Value education has to be applicable to all human beings, irrespective of their caste, creed, nationalities, religion, etc., for all times and all regions. You cannot say that this particular value or this value education is valuable or it is applicable or it is useful only for the people of Delhi and not to the people of UP, or only to the people of India, not to the people of UK. So these are universal, these are applicable everywhere for all people. Second is rational. It has to be appeal to human reasoning. It has to be amenable to reasoning and not based on dogmas or blind beliefs. This value education has to be rational in its approach. When you try to prove something, when you try to say something, you should be able to prove that. That is the basic concept of this value education. If I say that to live a healthy life is good, I have to prove it. If I say to be honest is good, again I have to prove it. So it has to be based on logic, not on the dogmas or blind beliefs. As others are saying that, or people say that, or our teachers say that, or our elders say that, ये हमारे घर में बहुत पहले से ऐसा होता है. It should not be based on those things only. Next is natural and verifiable. It has to be naturally acceptable to the human being who goes through the course, and when we live on the basis of such values, it leads to our happiness. So, this is another basic guideline for value education. If you don't get happiness by living by value education or by studying this value education, by uh, following the values or principles of morals in your life, it is not natural. It is natural when you get happiness from it, when you get satisfaction. So it has to be natural and verifiable. What is verifiable? You should be able to experiment it, experience it, and verify it. Then, all encompassing. Value education is aimed at transforming our consciousness and living. It does not affect only one aspect of our life. It transforms our consciousness as well as our living, because your living is based on your consciousness. You live as you think. जो आपको लगता है that is right to you, you act accordingly. So value education is aimed at transforming our consciousness as well as our living. Hence, it needs to cover all the dimensions. Which dimensions? Our thoughts, our behavior, our work, and our realization. And when the change is there, then when transformation is there, in all these aspects, we can live in harmony at all levels, at individual level, at family level, society, nature, and existence. So this value education covers all aspects and all levels. It is helpful to transform our thoughts, to transform our behavior, to change our work process, to change our realization, as well as it affects our all levels of life. Different levels are: we live with ourselves, we live with our family, we live with our society, we live with this nature and all existence of this universe. Do you realize that? Hello? Do you
Yes, ma'am.
realize that we live
Yes, ma'am.
on levels at a time? ऐसा नहीं कि आप सिर्फ अपने साथ रहते हैं, आप सिर्फ अपनी फैमिली के साथ आप रहते हैं. Yes, you are concerned for your family, but at the same time you are living in a society, you are living in nature, and you are living in this whole existence of this universe. For example, if sun and moon and rain, all these stop working for you, what would happen? Will there be any life? No. Without air, without sun, without water, no life will be there. So this whole existence of living is there to support you. So we have to maintain harmony at all levels. And this value education encompasses all dimensions and all levels of human life. Next is leading to harmony. The value education ultimately is aimed at promoting harmony with the individual, among human beings, and with nature. This is very essential that this value education is fruitful, it is meaningful only when it leads to harmony. Do you want to live a life of struggle or harmony?
Harmony.
Obviously,
Harmony.
no one wants to live a life of struggle, conflicts. अगर घर पे भी आपका थोड़ा सा किसी के साथ थोड़ा झगड़ा होता है तो थोड़ी देर बाद आपको खराब लगने लगता है अगर आप बातें नहीं कर रहे एक दूसरे से. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू शेयर योर थॉट्स, इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ, अच्छा लगता है? नहीं. सो वी वांट टू लिव इन हार्मनी. So these 5 basic guidelines are there for value education. You have to remember these points because these points may help you in your examination as well. क्योंकि इस तरीके की small answer type questions may be there. What are the basic guidelines for value education? Or how many basic guidelines are there for value education? If this question is there, how many? 5. What are the basic guidelines? You have to name these 5. Okay. Now, values. Values are the foundation of a person's ability to judge between right and wrong. How do you identify what is right and what is wrong for you? For you, for others, or how do you judge others whether they are doing something right or wrong? Based on your values. Because you have been taught these values. If someone is telling lie or you are telling a lie, you know that you are not doing right, you are doing something wrong. And still you do that because we are not able to follow these values which have been taught to us. Sometimes we do this because of some pressure. Sometimes we do this because of some fear. Sometimes we do this when we don't want others to feel hurt or to get hurt. Now, next is morals are formed out of values. What are morals? Morals are formed out of values. Morals are specific and context driven rules that govern a person's behavior. And what are ethics? Ethics are the vehicle to our morals. They are our morals in action. Okay? Honesty is a value. My moral is that I must be honest in my work, in my profession. And ethics, I should not do anything that is dishonest in my profession. So ethics are the vehicle to our morals. They are our morals in action. When we execute these values and morals into action, they become our ethics. So ethics enact the system we have developed in our moral code. Now, what is the process of value education? अब ये इसको थोड़ा ध्यान से करिएगा क्योंकि इसमें जो दोनों ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, सेल्फ इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड सेल्फ एक्सप्लोरेशन. Questions may be there based on these two things. और आपसे इसको एग्ज़ाम में भी पूछा जा, इसमें मतलब जो आपका वाइवा होगा वाइवा में भी पूछा जा सकता है. एंड योर एक्टिविटीज़ will also be based on this process of self-exploration. So first of all, you have to understand what is self-exploration or self-investigation. This process helps us in discovering our inner self, being in harmony with ourselves, and living in harmony with others. सबसे पहले you should know what is the process of value education, how value education is taught. ऐसा नहीं है कि वैल्यू एजुकेशन बाकी किसी दूसरे सब्जेक्ट की तरह आपको क्या हो जाता है इसमें. This value education cannot be given to you, it cannot be taught to you like other subjects कि आपको थ्योरी दिया, आपने उसको याद किया, एग्जाम्स में आपने आंसर लिख दिया and you pass the examination, you got the marks. No, you have to do it on yourself. You have to apply it on yourself. You have to apply it in your life, in your action, in your deed, in your thoughts. And if you find it useful, you have to follow it. ठीक है? So it is not there for examination purpose only. It is for your whole life. It is for your relations. It is for your professional life. It is for your personal life. That's why you have to do this self-exploration process yourself. So this process helps us in discovering our inner self. We come to know about ourselves. We know who we are, what we are. And once we are able to know ourselves, we are able to live in harmony with ourselves because we know ourselves better. We know what do we want and what we are trying to achieve. And at the same time, we are able to live in harmony with others. This process includes questions and answers to help us move closer to our conscious. Now, in this process of self-exploration, whatever is said to you, whatever is given to you is just a proposal. I repeat, it is just a proposal. You should not assume it to be true or false. If I say you should be honest, you should not say that yes, it is right or no, it is not right. It is true or false. Okay? If I say money is necessary for our life, you should not say yes, it is true or it is false, because it is just a proposal to you. When you go through this self-exploration process, you accept everything as a proposal only. After that, you have to verify it on your own right, on the basis of our natural acceptance. On the basis of your natural acceptance. Now you have to verify it according to your natural acceptance, whether it is naturally acceptable to you or not, whether it will give you happiness or not, whether it will give you satisfaction, inner peace or not. Now this process is a process of dialogue. A dialogue between me and you to start with. स्टार्टिंग में ये डायलॉग किसके बीच में है, मेरे और आपके बीच में, ठीक है. बट सून इट बिकम्स ए डायलॉग विद इन योर ओन सेल्फ. लेकिन जैसे ही आपको सारे वो क्वेश्चन समझ में आएंगे एंड यू बिगिन टू आंसर दोज क्वेश्चंस, इट बिकम्स ए डायलॉग विद इन योर ओन सेल्फ. आपके अंदर डायलॉग शुरू हो जाता है टू नो व्हाट यू आर एंड व्हाट यू रियली वांट टू बी. That is your natural acceptance. Is it clear to you? इतना आप लोगों को क्लियर हो गया बेटा? अगर कोई डाउट है तो
Yes,
बता
ma'am.
ये सेल्फ एक्सप्लोरेशन का प्रोसेस बहुत इजी नहीं है, ठीक है. एक बार समझ में आ जाएगा तो बहुत इजी है. यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट टू अदर्स एज वेल, ठीक है. तो अगर कोई डाउट है, कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो प्लीज आस्क. You can raise your hand. Okay, so you have to accept it as a proposal and it is a dialogue only. Dialogue, initially it is between me and you, and then it becomes a dialogue between your own self. Now this dialogue is between what we are and what we really want to be. Now my question to you, how many of you can think of yourself, who you are and what you really want to be?
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है थोड़ी सी ना.
अभी ठीक है?
यस मैम.
Okay बेटा, you have to discuss this thing within yourself. अपने आप से आपको पूछना है what we are and what we really want to be. आप क्या हैं और आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्या आप खुश रहना चाहते हैं हमेशा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन क्या आप हर वक्त खुश हैं? हमेशा खुश हैं आप?
नो मैम.
No. Are you doing something to achieve that happiness? No. What you are doing? You are trying to get good marks. You are trying to get new mobile phone. You are feeling bad not having a particular type of gadget that is there with your other friends. You are sad about that. So what you are trying to do? You are trying to accumulate more and more and more sadness, frustration, hard work, tension. Whereas what we want to be happy. For this, we have to identify our desires. Our desires, do we want to be happy? Do we want to be prosperous? Now answer these two questions. How many of you agree with these two questions? In yes. कितने लोग इससे yes में आंसर करते हैं इसको? Do we want to be happy or do we want to be happiness or both? How many of you want to be happy? जल्दी से raise your hand. How many of you want to be happy? Only a few. What about others? They don't want to be happy. Yes, good. Very good. Aditya, you don't want to be happy? Abhinav? Aditya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't want to be happy?
मैम हैंड रेज नहीं हो रहा.
नहीं हो रहे. Okay. Karthik? Karthik Gupta, are you there, beta? कार्तिक गुप्ता, लग रहा है कार्तिक एक और नींद लेने चले गए हैं क्लास ज्वाइन करके.
मैम कौन सा वाला 2 है?
कार्तिक गुप्ता, रोल नंबर 15.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't want to be happy. That's why you are not raising your hand.
No, ma'am.
No, you don't want to be happy. You want to be sad.
Yes.
Why? Why, beta? Any specific reason? Karthik?
Yes, ma'am. मैम यहाँ पे नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा है बहुत. एक सेकेंड.
चलिए, तक्ष, शिव, आस्था, what about you, beta?
Yes, ma'am. I want to be happy and prosperous. मैम
But you
इसमें
are not
हैंड रेज का ऑप्शन हाइड हो गया, इस वजह से मैं नहीं कर पाई.
Okay. Dhupam? Dhupam Kalra? Dhupam Kalra, roll number 24. Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chaitanya. You are not raising your hand, beta?
Ma'am, I just raised my hand. I just lowered it, ma'am. I was raising my hand.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Mudit? Sundar? So many students are there who have not raised their hand. Tarun, Priyansh, Harsh, Kuldeep. Some may have a problem in raising their hand, but not all. So, what should we assume? They don't want to be happy. Okay. So, in general, beta, you can lower your hand. All of you can lower your hand. ये दोबारा में जरूरत पड़ेगी उसकी. And I will not be able to identify. So, we want to be happy. Do we want to be prosperous? Now, all of us in general want to be happy and prosperous. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए, you want to be happy without prosperity? Your answer will be no. If I say you can be prosperous, but you will not be happy, again your answer will be no. You will not be satisfied with that. So basically, what do we want? We want both happiness as well as prosperity. Now, another question is, do we want the continuity of happiness and prosperity in our life, or do we want these things in slots, or temporary happiness and temporary prosperity? What will be your answer? Continuity or temporariness?
Continuity.
Continuity. Because these two things are there which we want in our life in continuity. हम कभी नहीं चाहते कि हमारी लाइफ से हैप्पीनेस या प्रोस्पेरिटी जाए. वी डोंट वांट टू बी पुअर और वी डोंट वांट टू बी विदाउट फैसिलिटीज इवन फॉर अ सिंगल डे. आपसे कहा जाए आप अपने मोबाइल के बिना एक दिन रहिए, बहुत मुश्किल है. इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल है. So desires हमारी क्या है? What we want to be. These are our desires. We want to be happy, we want to be prosperous, and we want the continuity of happiness and prosperity. लेकिन अब हमारी स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग क्या है? व्हाट वी एक्चुअली आर. हम एक्चुअली हैं क्या? आर वी हैप्पी? नो. आर वी प्रॉस्परस? डू वी फील प्रॉस्परस? नो. हमें हमेशा क्या लगता है? उतना नहीं जितना हमें चाहिए. That's why in last class a number of students were saying that I want to earn this, I want to earn this, because money can buy everything. And the third is there any continuity of our happiness and prosperity? No. हम अभी थोड़ी चीज़ के ऊपर खुश हो जाते हैं, थोड़ी देर बाद हम दुखी हो जाते हैं. क्यों? आपको एक बहुत अच्छा आपने फ़ोन लिया, आपको जो पसंद था आपने वही फ़ोन ले लिया, या आपने जो आपको ड्रेस पसंद था आपने वही ले लिया, आपको जो बाइक पसंद है आपने वही बाइक ले ली. आफ्टर सम टाइम यू सी दैट योर फ्रेंड हैज़ गॉट और योर नेबर हैज़ गॉट और सम कजिन हैज़ गॉट अ बेटर फोन और अ बेटर बाइक. आपकी हैप्पीनेस कहाँ गई? गॉन. क्योंकि अब आप हैप्पी नहीं हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको लग रहा है कि आपका फ़ोन और आपकी बाइक उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. Isn't it? होता है ऐसा? नहीं होता है? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा होता है? ऐसा नहीं होता है? बेटा जब तक आप लोग आंसर नहीं करेंगे मैं आगे नहीं चल सकती.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आपकी.
क्या हो गया बेटा वॉइस? लाइक जस्ट अ मिनट. अभी ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन अब मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So when we get what we want, we become happy. But after getting that, we begin to desire for something new, something else, and again we become unhappy when we see or when we find others getting that. So what is our state of being? We are not happy, we don't feel prosperous, we are not prosperous, and there is no continuity of our happiness and prosperity. But we can ensure this continuity of happiness and prosperity in our life. Kab? After self-exploration. Kab? When we are able to know what actually we want. How much actually we want and what are the means of fulfillment of our desires. ठीक है? Now, why this gap is there between these two? अभी मैंने जो आपको बताया that there is difference between our desires and our actual state of being. We want to be happy, but we are not happy. We want to be prosperous, we don't feel ourselves to be prosperous. We want continuity of happiness and prosperity, but there is no continuity of happiness and prosperity. What's the reason why this gap is there? This gap is there between our desire and our state of being because we don't work to get what we want, what we really want. We run after only materialistic things. We run after everything that attracts us. That is not desired by us. That is not our necessity. That is not our requirement. But as others are doing that, others are getting that, we want that. And we are running after that only. So this gap is there. What are we doing to fill this gap? This gap is there because we are not working to achieve what we actually want and this gap is increasing because we are not doing anything to fill this gap. So our next question is it getting filled up or getting wider? It is getting wider. क्यों है ये gap? These are the main reasons. We want something, we think something else, we say something else, and we do something else. We want to achieve highest marks in class. लेकिन हमें लगता है क्या है? What do we think? क्या होगा हाईएस्ट मार्क्स आने से भी? ये कहीं काउंट तो होंगे नहीं आगे. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको अगर हाईएस्ट मार्क्स लाना है तो आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ना भी पड़ेगा, उतना टाइम आपको डिवोट करना पड़ेगा. यू विल नॉट हैव टाइम टू प्ले पबजी और you will not have time to chat with your friends. You will not be able to watch movies, कार्टून चैनल्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो आपको मिस करनी पड़ेंगी if you really want to achieve what you desire, what you want. So we want something, but we think something else. We say something else. When there is contradiction between these two, there is difference in our statement. So we say something else and we do something else. इसको अचीव करने के लिए तो आप कर ही नहीं रहे हैं कुछ भी. आप क्या कर रहे हैं? You do something else. Because of contradictions in these four, this gap is there between what we want and we are. What we are. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोगों को क्लियर है? ये सिर्फ बेटा ये आपको सिर्फ एक एग्जांपल दिया है मार्क्स का. मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ों में ऐसे है. हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं कि पेरेंट्स हमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करें. सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार पेरेंट्स मुझे ही करें. और हमारे बीच में जो हमारा रिलेशन है वो बहुत अच्छा हो, एक ऑनेस्ट रिलेशन हो. लेकिन हम सोचते क्या हैं कि अगर ठीक है मैंने अगर फ्रेंड के साथ थोड़ी देर बाहर ज़्यादा घूम लिया या पार्टी कर ली तो उसके बारे में घर में बताना ठीक नहीं है, क्योंकि बिना बात में डांट पड़ेगी. आप कहते फिर कुछ और हैं और एक्चुअली यू डू समथिंग एल्स. सो व्हेन यू वांट टू हैव cordial relation at home with your family, with your friends, but you are doing something else. You are not working to achieve this thing. Obviously, there will be gap. तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में you can see these examples कि जो आप चाहते हैं कि आप उसी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, कि आप उसी तरीके से सोच रहे हैं. एक और एग्जाम्पल है, आपको एक गाड़ी आपको चाहिए, आपको गाड़ी चाहिए होंडा. आप सोच रहे हैं सुजुकी के बारे में, ठीक है, उसमें भी आपको एक स्पेसिफिक मॉडल उसका दूसरा चाहिए, लेकिन सोच रहे हैं आप किसी और मॉडल के बारे में. बाकी लोगों को आप कुछ जब आप बात करते हैं तो आप किसी और गाड़ी के फीचर्स को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं एंड यू आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स. तो क्या आप अपनी जो डिजायर्ड कार है क्या आप उसको ले पाएंगे? नहीं ले पाएंगे. क्या रीजंस हैं? बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं जो अभी हम यहाँ पे तो इसको मैं अभी नहीं इतना टाइम दे पाऊंगी, क्योंकि when contradictions are there you are not sure what you actually want. और अगर आपको वो रियलाइज हो जाता है लेकिन फिर आपकी थिंकिंग, आपकी सेइंग और आपके एक्शन में डिफरेंस है, यू गेट अफ्रेड ऑफ व्हाट पीपल विल से. आप तारीफ तो कर रहे हैं बैलिनो की, ले रहे हैं आप वेगनआर, आपको क्या डर रहेगा कि मैंने तो लोगों के सामने बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ाकर बोला हुआ है कि ठीक है ये गाड़ी ऐसी है, ये गाड़ी ऐसी है, और अब इसको लूँगा तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? After desires, we have efforts. Is our effort for continuity of happiness and prosperity or just for accumulation of physical facility? क्या जो हमारे efforts हैं वो happiness and prosperity की continuity को ensure करने के लिए हैं या just for accumulation of physical facilities कि हम physical facilities अपने पास सिर्फ बढ़ाते रहते हैं कि हम इस तरफ काम कर रहे हैं या हम इस तरफ काम कर रहे हैं? Have we assumed that happiness and prosperity will be ensured when we have enough physical facilities? Or what efforts are we making other than accumulation of physical facility? अब यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा समझना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. अपने डिजायर्स में तो देख लिया गैप क्यों है, लेकिन एफर्ट्स में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? एफर्ट्स में प्रॉब्लम है when we assume that all our happiness and prosperity is based on physical facilities, on materialistic things only. Beta, have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So how many of you think that चलिए इसको बाद में करते हैं क्योंकि टाइम भी उतना नहीं है. बस आप आज भी थोड़ी छोटी सी चीज़ बताइए और वो नेक्स्ट क्लास तक आप लोगों को एक्सप्लोर करने हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रोस्पेरिटी? क्योंकि इससे हम आगे जाएं उससे पहले आपको ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. व्हाट इज़ प्रोस्पेरिटी? व्हाट इज़ प्रोस्पेरिटी बेटा?
Financially stable.
फाइनेंशियली
Stable.
स्टेबल.
Not just only financially stable, but also, mentally stable. In a mentally
Okay.
stable state, when you grow up,
Good.
you become more wise. I
Good.
think I will consider that as prosperity.
Good. Anyone else? Next one, Aditya,
Yes.
Pankaj.
मैम हेल्थ भी होनी चाहिए, हेल्थी मेंटल एंड फिजिकल प्रॉस्पेरिटी तीनों.
Very good. Kabir. Yes, Kabir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
what is
success
the-
होनी चाहिए, having a lot of money.
Okay. Pankaj. Sana. Mudit. Okay then. In next class, आप लोग. Yes. In next class. Okay. In next class, you will come with your definition of prosperity in 1 to 2 sentences.